Great products fail every day, not because they're bad, because nobody sees them. Quality is not enough. The internet is full of talented people with no audience. Meanwhile, average creators scale massive businesses. Why? Distribution. Attention is infrastructure. Most people treat attention like luck. The smart ones build systems to capture it. The distribution layer. This is the layer almost nobody builds until it's too late. Rented attention. Social platforms are rented land. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, X. You do not own the audience there. Algorithms can erase you. One update, one policy shift, one reach collapse, and traffic disappears overnight. Captured attention. This is where leverage starts. Subscribers, email lists, communities, people you can reach directly. Capture, don't just entertain. Most creators collect views. Smart creators collect access. 3. Owned attention. Owned attention means control. Your website, your list, your audience relationship. No algorithm permission required. This changes everything because every future product, launch, or idea starts with momentum already built. Compounding distribution. This is the highest level. Systems that continuously feed traffic into your ecosystem. One piece feeds another. A video leads to an email list. The list promotes a product. The product funds more content. The system compounds. Most people restart every month. No audience, no pipeline, no retained attention. So every launch begins from zero. Distribution lowers risk because you're no longer dependent on one employee, one customer, or one platform. Visibility is an asset. An audience is not vanity, it's leverage. The future belongs to distributors, not just creators, not just workers, people who control attention flow. Build the layer nobody sees, because invisible systems create visible outcomes. In the final phase, 6 video, we move beyond income completely into ownership, equity, and the real wealth game. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and leave us a like and a comment and hit the notification bell so you know when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching.